Welcome to the STEM at Middle School with Robotics course. Bringing STEM into the classroom creates problem solvers. STEM skills allow students to identify problems and use a logical approach to find a solution. STEM is more than content, it's a way of thinking and doing. Within each core-aligned topic folder, the following content is included: Teacher's Guide, STEM It Challenge, Coding Activity, 3D Print Project, and Teacher's Resources. To get started with any STEM Fuse course, make your way to the Start Unit or Module 0 to view standard alignment, pacing guides, connections to industry certifications, and more. The Course Teacher Guide allows you to view each module at a glance, which is great for preparing for the integration of an individual module or for building a year-long course. Each student-facing module in the STEM at Middle School with Robotics course includes digitally interactive lesson plans, corresponding activities, and summative and project-based assessments. End-of-module assessments are self-graded and provide you as a teacher with detailed reporting on student outcomes and remediation plans to help improve weak areas. Each module also includes detailed teacher's guides designed to help you plan, prepare, and understand what students will be learning and accomplishing within each module. Answer keys and grading rubrics for project-based assessments can be found in the Teacher's Resources folder. To get more information, review access, or to schedule a more in-depth webinar, please contact your STEM Fuse representative or email sales@stemfuse.com.